Hi, my name is Angel, and in this few videos, I want to show you how you can install Wolfeye, um, the computer monitoring software that allows you to see the live remote computer screen or screen of a remote computer just by opening a browser, seeing from your smartphone, from any other computer. And it is basically very, very easy to do. Um, but there are 3 to 4 maybe things that you must take into account. And the last video, I I um, I showed you what the first step is, which is, I summarize, you have to select the correct folder, see users public and select the folder there, and put that folder into the exception list of the antivirus software. And in this video, I want to show you how after you have put that installation folder into the antivirus settings exception, you can download Wolfeye and put it into that folder. And that is what I want to show you. Now, this is the second step. We will download Wolfeye. We will run Wolfeye. I will show you how. So you go to our website, hit download button, and here you hit free download because actually it's free to download. As you see, you can test it within a 3-day trial period. Should you need more days to try it, write us an email. You enter your email address here and you send the download link to your email address. That's it. I go to my email address and wait, let me see. An email has been sent with a download link. Exactly. I hope I have not entered the. Okay, now here it is. Okay, and I will download the stealth version. You hit the link, and now you can download it. And the downloaded file is a zip file, and I can select the folder, directly put it into the folder. But you can download it anywhere. Let's say here on downloads. Okay, and now you go to downloads, copy that file that we just downloaded. I copy it and go to the folder that I put into the exception list and I paste it there. Okay. Now listen, the file that we have downloaded is a zip file. This is a compacted file. I must right mouse click it and extract it. All extrahieren, this is German. Extract all. I hit it. I will choose the same folder, of course, and I have to extract it first. He asked me for a password. The password is Wolfeye, but you can read it on our website. Wolfeye. And then he has extracted the file. This is the application. It's called kernel. Now you can run the software and the control windows appears. But the first time you run it, a blue screen appears or something. It's sometimes it's pink. You hit here more information and say run. Now the control windows of Wolfeye appears. Okay, and that's basically it. If you want to monitor the computer, all you have to do is you hit the green button. The moment you hit the green button, the software is sharing the screen. You will see the live screen of that computer visiting this link here. Okay, and because this link is very cryptic, you can send this link to your email address by hitting this gray button here. I hit the button, enter my email address, and enter OK. And now this link will be sent to my email address and I can open that link from my smartphone, from any other computer, and we'll see the live screen of this computer as if I was sitting in front of it. And basically, last but not least, you hit the blue button and that makes the control window disappear and it will run in the background without the user noticing it. I hope this